Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is our Vlogmas number 11. Yes, today's our Vlogmas number 11, and for today's vlog, I'll be cooking some Filipino dish today, aka PANCIT, which is it's a Filipino noodles. Everyone knows about it, everybody loves about it. So for today, I'll be doing that because I'm just home today. I'm really just doing some home stuff before I start with work again this week. So yeah, anyways, let's get started with this video. anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, it's gonna be right here. And if you haven't watched the rest of my Vlogmas videos, it's gonna be in the description box below, or it's gonna be in the I button up there, so make sure to click that and watch it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on my next vlog.